Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve examples on directional derivatives. So objective of this topic to find directional derivative along different directions. And outcomes at the end of this session, learners will be able to find the directional derivative along the different directions. So let us see the first example. Find directional derivative of phi. Phi is a scalar function. This is a scalar function. Phi is equals to x y square plus y z cube at point 1 minus 1 1 along the directions. Now for that, three subquotients are given. That means three different directions are given. We have to find the directional derivative of this scalar function phi in these three different directions. So first we just revise the concept of directional derivative. So we know that the formula for directional derivative is given by the formula del phi dot a cap, where here is the phi is the given scalar function. What is phi? Phi is given scalar function. And what is a cap here? A cap is the unit vector, or we can say direction vector, in which to find directional derivative. So here phi is the scalar function that is given in the question, and a cap is the unit vector. It is a, we can also say it is a direction vector, in which direction we have to find the directional derivative of this scalar function phi. This is our formula. So to evaluate this directional derivative, the first of all we require to find the quantity del phi. So first we find del phi. So here in this question it is given that value of phi is equals to xy square plus yz cube. Therefore, value of del phi, we know that the formula for del phi is I bar into dava phi by dava x plus j bar into dava phi by dava y plus k bar into dava phi by dava z. We have to put the values of dava phi by dava x, dava phi by dava y, and dava phi by dava z here. Dava phi by dava y, that means partial derivative of phi with respect to x. Dava phi by dava y means partial derivative of phi with respect to y. And dava phi by dava z, that means partial derivative of phi with respect to z. So first of all we just find these partial derivatives. Dava phi by dava x, that is partial derivative of phi with respect to x, it is y square. Then dava phi by dava y, partial derivative of phi with respect to y, it is 2xy plus z cube. And dava phi by dava z, it is partial derivative of phi with respect to z, it is 3yz square. We put this dava phi by dava x, dava phi by dava y, and dava phi by dava z here. Therefore, the value of del phi is equals to y square into I bar plus 2xy plus z cube j bar, that is value of dava phi by dava y, plus dava phi by dava z, that is 3yz square into k bar. Now according to the question, we have to find the directional derivative at point 1 minus 1 1. So here we just find the value of del phi at point 1 minus 1 1. That means put x is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 1, and z is equals to 1 here. So when you put y is equals to minus 1, we will get y square is plus 1 into I bar. Then when you put x is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 1. So 2 into 1 into minus 1, that is minus 2. And value of z is 1, so z cube is also 1 into j bar. Plus in bracket 3, value of y is minus 1, so minus 3, plus z is equals to 1, so minus 3 k bar. That is I bar minus 2 plus 1 is minus j bar minus 3 k bar. this is value of del phi at point 1 minus 1 1. We have to use this value of del phi to calculate the directional derivative. So call it as the equation star. Now consider the first sub question. We have to find the directional derivative along the vector I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar. That means you have to find directional derivative along the direction of this vector quantity. So we just suppose that the value of a bar, that is the direction vector, is equals to I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar. Let a bar is equals to I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar. So along the direction of this vector, we have to find the directional derivative. So a bar is equals to I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar. Now we calculate the direction of this vector. A cap is equals to a bar upon mod of a bar. This is equals to now value of a bar as it is I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar upon magnitude of a bar, that can be given by 1 square, that is 1, 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar upon under root of 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 1 is 14. Now therefore the directional derivative, in short we can write dd is equals to del phi dot a cap. We already calculated the value of del phi at given point. Value of del phi is from equation star, it is I bar minus j bar minus 3k bar. So I bar minus j bar minus 3k bar. Dot product with a cap. A cap is I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar upon root 14. Taking dot product, usual dot product. So how to take the dot product? A1 into B1, that is coefficient of I bar, here coefficient of I bar, that is 1 into 1 is 1. Then A2 B2, that is minus 1 into plus 2, that is minus 2. A3 B3, that is minus 3 into plus 3, that is minus 9 upon root 14, that is minus 10 upon root 14. That is the directional derivative final answer of this first sub question. Now the second sub question, solution of second sub question. Again we have to find the directional derivative of same function phi, but the direction is changed. What is the direction? Direction is towards the point 2 1 1. That means starting point is 1 minus 1 1 and towards this point 2 1 minus 1. Whatever the direction, call this direction as a bar and find out the directional derivative along this direction. So we just suppose that this is the point A, that is 1 minus 1 1, and this is point B, 2 1 minus 1. Let the point A is 1 minus 1 1 and point B is 2 1 minus 1. We have to find the directional derivative. Here is the point A and here point B. We have to find the directional derivative along this direction, that means from point A towards point B. In this direction we have to find the directional derivative. So we have to calculate this direction or this direction vector. So this direction vector AB bar can be given by B bar minus A bar. This is equals to 2 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1 I bar. 1 minus minus 1, that is 2 j bar, minus 1 minus times 1, that is minus 2 k bar. So this is equals to A bar C. Now we have to find the directional derivative along the direction of this A bar. So we calculate the direction of this A bar, that is A cap. A cap is equals to A bar upon mod of A bar. This is equals to I bar plus 2J bar minus 2K bar upon magnitude of A bar is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, again 2 square is 4. This is I bar plus 2J bar minus 2K bar upon under root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is under root of 9. That is I bar plus 2J bar minus 2K bar upon 3. Now directional derivative is equals to again formula del phi dot A cap. Now del phi, that value already calculated in the equation star. Here is also that value is written. Value of del phi is I bar minus J bar minus 3K bar. So we can directly take this value I bar minus J bar minus 3K bar. Dot product with A cap at the direction. So in this direction we have to find the directional derivative. So I bar plus 2J bar minus 2K bar upon 3. Then this is equals to again dot product 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 2 that is minus 2, minus 3 into minus 2 that is plus 6 upon these 3 as it is. It is 5 by 3. That is final answer for second sub question, that is directional derivative along the direction of the point 2, 1, minus 1. That is final answer. Now the third sub question. Third sub question is to calculate the directional derivative along the direction of normal to the surface x square plus y square plus z square equals to 9 at point 1, 2, 2. Now this surface is a sphere, and when you calculate the normal to this sphere at point 1, 2, 2, and whatever the direction of that normal, that direction we have to find the directional derivative. So first we require to calculate the normal vector to this surface at point 1, 2, 2. Now how to calculate the normal vector to this surface at point 1, 2, 2? So we just suppose that this surface is a phi 1. We just suppose that the surface is phi 1 is equals to x square plus y square plus z square minus 9, that is equals to 0. This is a sphere. Now normal to this sphere at point 1, 2, 2 we have to calculate. So the normal is given by del phi 1. So del phi 1 is I bar into da bar phi 1 by da bar x plus j bar into da bar phi 1 by da bar y plus k bar into da bar phi 1 by da bar z. This is equals to, now da bar phi 1 by da bar, that is derivative of phi 1 with respect to x, that is 2x into I bar. Similarly da bar phi 1 by da bar, that is 2y into j bar plus 2z into k bar. Now normal to this surface phi 1 at point 1, 2, 2. That means put x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2 and z is equals to 2. So x is equals to 1, so it gives 2i bar plus 4j bar plus 4k bar. Now we just suppose that this is a bar, say, because this is a equation of a normal vector, and along this vector we have to find the directional derivative. So the directional derivative dd is given by del phi dot a cap. We already calculated the value of del phi. It is I bar minus j bar minus 3k bar dot. Now a cap is a bar upon mod of a bar. This is equals to I bar minus j bar minus 3k bar dot product a bar is 2i bar plus 4j bar plus 4k bar upon magnitude. It is 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, again 4 square is 16. This is equals to dot product 1 into 2, that is 2, minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4, minus 3 into 4, that is minus 12, upon this calculation is root 36, that is 6. So it is 12, 4, that is 16, minus 2, that is minus 14 upon 6, or minus 7 by 3. That is the answer for directional derivative third sub question. Thank you.